Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you some creations from the One Piece and Popeyes collab. My son made this one. It's Luffy, right, eating a chicken. This is not part of the collab, right? This is a creation he made, the Luffy eating. But let's go to the collab. So he made we went to the restaurant and got the One Piece meal, and then he recreated with air dry clay. So that's what I'm gonna show you. So first, let's go to the bento box. We got the chicken one, so let's see how it looks. All right, so this is it. So he got the chicken one, so it was a chicken leg like this. So he made it in clay. Then more chicken. It was not just one, it was more chicken. And then there was like a mac and cheese, right? So this is the recreation of the mac and cheese with clay. It's pretty cool, pretty accurate. Look at this. And this is the spoon, the forky from Popeyes. Yum 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 yum. So this is the mac and cheese made in clay, and he made a napkin with the design, the One Piece design. So very cool. This was the main part of the meal, the chicken and the mac and cheese, but he had more. So the meal also came with dessert. So the dessert was kind of like a strawberry cake like this. It looked exactly like this. It was good. I remember trying it. It was a strawberry cake, very similar to this. So it was the cake and then the frosting like this. He captured every detail. Very, very cool. So that was the dessert, and the other thing that it had was the drink. So the drink, I don't remember the exact name of the drink, but the drink, it was from a fruit from the game. This is the fruit from the game. He made the fruit. So the drink came in this cup, and he made the fruit. This is the fruit. That's the fruit from One Piece. And again, this is Luffy, the guy from One Piece, eating the chicken. Very, very cool, right? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. This is so cool. And I've been meaning to do this for a while. The collab already ended, but yeah, he made it quickly, and I struggled to make the video. But this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what did you think, and what should we make next. Bye bye.